So my daughter and my granddaughter are coming to visit real soon. So when they get here, I wanted to be able to have something for them to take home and put on the wall and always know that it's from Pop. So today I'm going to make a coat rack. And special thanks to Brian over at Garage Woodworks for the inspiration for this coat rack. Stick around. So after a lot of sanding and a couple of coats of finish, here is the final coat rack. I'm really happy with the way this turned out actually. There's a couple of things that are wrong with it, of course, as there always is. Namely, this one doesn't go down as far as the rest of them do, so it looks a little odd. It'll be plenty strong to hold everything in place. And it's going to be real easy to mount. There are a couple of keyhole spots on here that are going to accept these little drywall anchors with the screws that fit in there just perfectly. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was a fun project. Please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe. It'll help me out quite a lot. And don't forget to go check out my mallet video over here. I think it's right up in here somewhere. There's a white thing with some letters in it and stuff. Anyway, go click that and check out the mallet video because there's a giveaway on that one. So that's it for this one. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.